In this video, I will show you how to add indicators to your TradingView chart. Now, this is actually very easy and I will show you how to do this step by step in this video. So first of all, you need to open your super chart, as they call it. So just open a chart like this. And then in the top bar, you see all of the dates, all of the time frames. You see this one, and right here, you see indicators right here. So you can either tap on it or you can press this forward slash button to directly go to the indicators. So tap on it or just tap right here. And then you see indicators, metrics, and strategies. So what you can do is you can either switch to favorites, personal, technicals, financials, or community. And you can just search for any indicator you want. For example, RSI, like this. Relative strength index, you can tap on this. And now TradingView will add that indicator to your chart. As you can see, you can easily make this bigger. You can hide it. You can move it up. You can delete it. Let me delete it right now. And add another one, for example. Like this trading checklist. This way you can add a checklist to your trade like this. And where you can find all of your installed or added indicators is right here. So you see BTC, then you see sell, buy, and you see this button right here, show indicators legend. When you open this, you see all of your installed indicators. So this is the one I just added. And when I hover my mouse over this, I can hide the indicator. I can change these settings right here. I can change the style, visibility. I can, kind of read the script or something, or the source code, and I can have a few more settings. And what I also can do is easily delete it by tapping on this cross icon. Okay, I can show this, for example. So now it's going to show all the chart patterns by TradingView. It's an indicator by TradingView. So that is very cool. So if you do want more indicators than 3, because there is a maximum of 3 indicators per for a free TradingView account, I recommend you buying a TradingView plan, a paid plan. Now you have different plans: Essential, Plus, and Premium. And now I currently have the Essential plan, and I do recommend that plan also because you can backtest your trades using the replay function within TradingView. So I do recommend buying a plan. I have a $15 discount when you tap the link in the description down below. So that's basically how you can add indicators. A little tip for me is learn to trade using no indicators. This way you learn like the naked charts without indicators, because that's the best to trade. Indicators always, they are not up to date. They always need to do mathematics with past data or past information, not with the current information. And they can, if you learn to trade with as they call it, a naked chart, so without any indicators, without any other stuff, that's the best. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, for a $15 discount, you can check out the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.